السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته. Hello, hello
Hello
guys,
guys.
and welcome back to my channel Learn and Teach. تعلم معلم. اليوم رح نتعلم بعض الأسئلة البسيطة والأجوبة اللي من خلالها رح نتعرف فيه على الناس ونقدم أنفسنا للآخرين. فخلونا نبلش بعد الفاصل. فاصل ونواصل.
Let's go.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته. معكم عثمان عبد الله، ومعنا ضيف جديد رح نتعرف عليه من خلال هذا الفيديو. Introduction يعني التعارف، شلون نتعرف على الناس والناس يتعرفوا علينا. أول سؤال نسأل الشخص لما نشوفه لأول مرة نقول له Introduce yourself or Tell me about yourself or talk about yourself. عنا طريقتين للتحدث مع الآخرين، إما راح تكون formal أو casual informal. لما نلقي تحية informal طبعا hi there, hi buddy, hi bro, hi guys. formal نقول hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. هلا بعد ما نسلم أول شي نسأل عن الاسم. What is your name? What's your name?
My name is Yahya. I am Yahya.
What's your first name?
My first name is Yahya.
What's your last name?
My last name is Osman.
لا، في طريقة تانية لحتى نسلم فيها على الآخرين. طريقة تانية هي
Hi, I am Yahya. Nice to meet you.
الرد راح يكون Hello يحيى, I am Osman. Nice to meet you too. Hello يحيى, I am Osman. Nice to meet you too. السؤال التقليدي والممل وهو
How are you?
والجواب التقليدي والممل أيضا I am fine, thank you. I'm good, thank you. راح ناخذ البدائل عن هذه الأسئلة الأجوبة في الحلقة. تابعوا معنا. وهلا نجي السؤال عن العمر. How old are you?
I am 10 years old.
السؤال التالي Where are you from? Or What is your nationality?
I am from Syria. I am Syrian.
بعد شوي راح أحكي كتير عن البلدان والجنسيات. خلوكم معنا لآخر فيديو لحتى نتابع البلدان والجنسيات. والسؤال هلا Where do you live?
I live in Kamishli.
للسؤال عن العمل أو الوظيفة نقول What do you do? What's your job? What's your occupation?
I am a student.
I am a teacher. I teach online. أو نقول I work in education. I am a lawyer. I am a judge. I work in the court system. When were you born? I was born in 1979. Where were you born? Where were you born? I was born in Syria. I was born in Syria. وهلا نسأل عن الحالة الاجتماعية. نسأل Are you married or single? Are you married or single? I am single. I live with my family. I live with my family. Or I am married. I am married. How many brothers and sisters do you have? How many brothers and sisters do you have? I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. How many children do you have? How many children do you have? I have 3 children, 2 sons and a daughter. I have 3 children, 2 sons and a daughter. What language do you speak? What language do you speak? I speak English and a little Turkish. I speak English and a little Turkish. Are you here on vacation? Are you here on vacation? Do you like it here? Do you like it here? Do you like it here? بآخر المحادثة إذا كان شخص غريب مثل ما يكون سائح مثلا ما أتوقع إنه نشوف مرة تاني فندعو نقول maybe see you around sometime. Maybe see you around sometime. أو شخص يكون متوقع إنه نشوفه على طول نقول له see you later. See you later. Bye. وهلا رح نجي على الأسئلة البديلة والأجوبة البديلة. Alternative questions. Alternative responses. Alternative responses. Where are you from? Where are you from? Or what is your nationality? What is your nationality? هلا رح نجاوب حسب البلدان. نقول مثلا سوريا. Syrian. I am from Syria. I am Syrian. Lebanon. Lebanese. Lebanon. Lebanese. Iraq. Iraqi. Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia. Saudi. Saudi. Egypt. Egyptian. Egypt. Egyptian. Morocco. Moroccan. Morocco. Moroccan. Kuwait. Kuwaiti. Kuwait. Kuwaiti. Qatar. Qatari. Qatar. Qatari. Iran. Iranian. Iran. Iranian. Turkey. Turkish. Turkey. Turkish. China. Chinese. China. Chinese. Japan. Japanese. Japan. Japanese. Australia. Australian. Australia. Australian. Canada. Canadian. Canada. Canadian. Germany. German. Germany. German. Italy. Italian. Italy. Italian. United Kingdom. United Kingdom. Great Britain. Great Britain. British. British. America. America. The USA. The USA. American. American. الجنسية تأتي بمعنى أيضا الصفة adjective. مثلا نقول American accent. American accent. اللهجة الأمريكية. Finally وأخيرا وصلنا للسؤال البديل ل how are you والأجوبة البديلة ل I am fine thank you I am good thank you. خلونا نبلش. What's up? What's up? What's new? What's new? What's new with you? What's new with you? What's going on? What's going on? جواب not much at all. Not much at all. Nothing much. Nothing much. How are your things? How are your things? How's things. How's things? How's everything? How's everything? How's it going? How's it going? How's life? How's life? وهلأ إذا سألنا شخص أو صديق عنده مشاكل صحية فنسأله How are you feeling? How are you feeling? I am feeling great. I am feeling great. I am not feeling so good. I'm not feeling so good. Are you alright? Are you alright? ممكن تيجي كمان الحالة alright كسؤال. Alright. Alright. الجواب alright. هذا سؤال خاص بطريقة هزلية أو طريقة مرحة. نقول howdy. Howdy. مثل ما نقول كيفو. كيفو. How have you been? How have you been? How have you been? I have not been so good actually. I have not been so good actually. I've been great. Thanks. I've been great. Thanks. وهلأ بالطريقة الرسمية نقول How do you do? How do you do? How do you fare? How do you fare? How do you faring? How do you faring? How's your health? How's your health? Are you well? Are you well? Is your family well? Is your family well? How's everything coming together? How's everything coming together? Oh, things are coming together nicely. Thank you. I am really good. I'm really good. Or I am really happy. I'm really happy. نستعمل really للتأكيد. I'm really happy. I am fantastic. I am fantastic. I am amazing. I am amazing. I am cool. I am cool. I am pretty good. I am pretty good. I am pretty well. I am pretty well. I'm fairly good. I'm fairly good. I'm great. I'm great. I'm okay. I'm okay. إجابات بطريقة شوي سلبية فنقول same old same old. Can't complain. Can't complain. ما أقدر أشرح. So far so good. So far so good. So so. So so. Could be better. Could be better. Not too bad. Not too bad. I'm surviving. I'm surviving. وبهيك وصلنا لنهاية هذا الدرس. كان معكم عثمان عبد الله من قناة ليرن أند تيش تعلم وعلم. لا تنسوني من اللايك والاشتراك في القناة وتفعيل زر الجرس. السلام عليكم.